Welcome to the world of Blender. Blender is a powerful open source 3D creation software used by professionals. With Blender, you can create stunning animations, visual effects, video games, and more. It has robust sets of features including modeling, sculpting, texturing, lighting, and rendering. Whether you're interested in creating 3D models, designing environments or characters, or making your own animation short films, Blender has everything you need to bring your ideas to life. So, if you want to unleash your creativity and dive into exciting world of 3D creations, then Blender is the software for you. Let's get started. We are excited to announce that in this channel, we'll be teaching you how to use several popular 3D design and digital art programs such as Blender, Substance Painter, Zbrush, Unfold 3D, Photoshop, and many others. We'll be covering everything from the basics to more advanced techniques so that you can create amazing 3D models, textures, and designs. We believe that learning these programs should be easy and fun. So, we'll be bringing you user-friendly tutorials with a step-by-step approach. You will be find these tutorials helpful. So, don't forget to subscribe our channel, hit the notification bell, and stay tuned for upcoming tutorials.